Looking for a delicious and nutritious way to boost your health? Introducing seamoss, the superfood that's making waves in the health and wellness world. Not only is seamoss packed with vitamins and minerals, it's also incredibly versatile. You can add it to smoothies for a creamy, nutrient-packed drink, or steep it in hot water for a refreshing tea. You can even use it in face masks to nourish and hydrate your skin. And let's not forget about desserts. Seamoss can be used to make delicious puddings and treats. So why not give seamoss a try? It's a Sea-Licious way to boost your health. Seamoss, more than just a superfood.